Somebody asked me once, how do I mud things up where I don't have all of the mud coming down in my face? This is actually kind of thin mud. This is a little thinner than I would like to have. So I did get some mud that came down on my arm and stuff. But you just put a little on your knife. Just a little. Just a little on your knife like this. This is what I do. And I start at one side and I just float it in. And then, you know, I've seen guys do this. Oh my gosh, that aggravates me to watch the guys do that. Wow. But you can sit here and mud this. I've got a lot more screws sticking out, but I'll have to set those, reset those. But this is a pretty good fill. And sometimes you can catch the glob before it falls. So, well, I didn't catch that one though. And, but that's all I do. I just get some mud on my knife, I put it in there, pull it out. Put it in there, pull it out. Now right here, that was a big gap that wanted to fall down on me. And if you can see it from there, I don't know if you can see it from there or not. Let me see if you can see it from there or not. And let me zoom it in a little bit. But right here, there's like it bulges down because there was a big gap there. That's okay, let it bulge down. If it doesn't shrink up, it'll get hard and I can scrape that off later. But right now, my main goal is to get some Durabond in here and to get this thing pre-filled before I tape it. Because if I don't pre-fill this, it's not nearly as strong as when you pre-fill it. So let me finish pre-filling this seam. And that's that. I got a little seam cuts across here like this. And then I got a couple of these patches that I want to coat in because they have mesh tape on them. And so let me get a couple of these done. But mainly, guys, it's just practice, 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 practice. You know, trust me, when I first started this out, I had mud in my face, down my arms, I had it everywhere. Now, I still do. After 40 years, I gotta practice some more. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.